of the red-nosed reindeer, but the next 3 minutes I'm going to be Moses and show you some of the most fun parts of physics that is missing in our educational system. I have a rod, actually a few rods. What can you do with few rods? I'm going to be dropping, I have two similar objects. I'm going to be dropping one after the other. Just a second. As you see, let me try one more time because it got stuck. It's getting stuck. As when you perform something in audience, it stuck. Okay. It's stucking again. At home it wasn't stucking, but that's why I brought another one. Okay. I have the second object. I'm be dropping again. You see? It arrived to the ground with very big. The reason for that is because this is a very powerful magnet. It created a special electromagnetic force upwards, which was hovering down. As it was coming down, it was hovering it and let it come with a deceleration. As if we are on another planet, as if it's defying gravity. This is the Land's law. The geniuses of very 5-6 scientists are in this tube. Okay, now I have this aluminum tube. We all love music. What I'm going to do now, we're going to make this tube sink. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Now I'm just dipping my hands like the gymnasts do in some type of powder. And now, what you are hearing now is one of the most unique sounds in physics that we hardly even hear. This is called fundamental frequency. All we hear is noise and harmonics, but to hear this noise, to this sound, we hardly hear it. The irritating part is not so impressive. It's that it's resonating, it's resonance. This is like in physics, it's resonance. This is what you're hearing. Okay, now, we all know paper burns at 232 degrees. Okay, now how am I going to extinguish it here before we start the fire? But now, if I hold the same paper here and approach it here, as you see, the paper will not burn because most of the heat will be absorbed by the rod. The rod is being a metal conductor. It gets absorbed by the rod. One more time. Eventually, it will burn. But you see, it's not burning. It's absorbing. Now, see, this part became quite hard. Quite hot. Now, last but not least, Archimedes said, give me one fixed point in the universe, and I can topple the Earth out of its orbit. Now, we don't have these two chairs to do that. If I just hold it like this, the fulcrum, I can topple the Earth out of its orbit. Thank you very much.